is how to manifest. I'm going to go over the rules, what to manifest, what manifesting is. I'm going to take you through the process of exactly what it is that I am doing to create this new manifestation. This morning I woke to life telling me to create a list. And so I asked, a list of what? And a few minutes later, it showed me two characters kissing. So I wrote this down as well. And then I was reminded to manifest. And I realized what it was telling me was that I had been giving of myself so much to others lately that I haven't been asking for anything for myself. And it was time for me to manifest again. And I found the timing very curious because of recent events. So apparently I'm now to take the next step. What I'm going to share with you today is how to manifest. I'm going to go over the rules, what to manifest, what manifesting is. I'm going to take you through the process of exactly what it is that I am doing to create this new manifestation. And then I will include the rules again so that you can have some steps to follow. So here we go. Manifesting rules include writing, saying out loud, and sharing with others. We write to pull from our imagination. We say things out loud to speak it into existence, and we share with others to show them the way. What to manifest can be summed up in a few simple steps. Write down your dreams in one column. Write down your current path or paths in another. Then draw a line from the dream that most aligns with your current path. And this is the dream that we will focus on manifesting. What manifesting is the process of tapping into our imagination using clues left behind by others that are in alignment with our personal dreams. Writing helps us pull the creativity from our inner world out into our physical world. Focusing on one thing to manifest into your reality and being very specific about it is extremely important to manifesting the right thing. So for instance, if you're into cars, you wouldn't do a Google search for cars. You would get very specific as to the thing. You'd think about different parts of the car where the make, model, and year is irrelevant. It's the inside and what's under the hood that's important to you. Writing also helps us correct errors in the wording we are about to speak, so we draw in specifically what is meant for us. Positive wording is key. Also, if a person is involved, there can be no names attached. Life or God will bring you what you are to have, and if you are specific enough, it will be exactly what you want. If it's not, rinse and repeat. For me, as you know, my current path is creating community. The dream of mine that is most in alignment with that is my true husband. So here I will share with you my dream on how I plan to manifest my true husband. My true husband is always at the top of my list because he's been my lifelong goal. He's a king of kings, a guide to protection, success, great nobility, and hope. After receiving my dream, I don't know what happens yet, but I know our lives will unfold as they are meant to, and that is why what comes after that has always been unknown to me. All I know is the emotions instilled in me to chase down have been love, togetherness, peace, happiness, admiration, pride, and accomplishment. These are the emotions that have kept me on track as I build my way through this lifetime, healing so many generational wounds along the way. I know we don't need to worry about what's next because I now understand we are always guided towards our next purpose. My true husband is beside me every night in our bed as we touch and continue to grow our connection. He understands the power of our combined energy and has come to find the wonder and excitement in it that I do, seeing how two strong forces combine to send power, love, and light into the world. My true husband isn't only comfortable with being a husband, he's proud and honored to be my husband. He sees the true me just as I see the true him. He's my partner in life, my soul's mate, and we feel better together as we continue our journey in this lifetime. Where we once withdrew from the notion of husband and wife and of being married, we now understand it differently. What once was a thing we withdrew from, it's now a thing that draws us in. We see the intrigue and mystery of what's to come. We see this as our individual dreams tied in oneness, as a symbol of our commitment to following our own dreams all these years, showing others how it's done, and continuing to do so, but now doing it together. We understand life, God, the universe inside us, guides us daily and challenges us as a reminder of the blessings it's provided us with. To be a spiritual being living a human existence who is grateful and peaceful, loving, and kind. We pay attention to the clues and follow them. We know following means pausing to assess how it resonates with our being. If it's in alignment with our spirit, then we know it's the right direction for us and okay to take another step forward. We know if it causes a lower vibration inside us, a disturbance to our peace, we need to pay attention to that as well. We know we need to refocus and only emit the highest vibrations by focusing on feeling that vibration, that emotion resonating within us. We know emotions are the key that unlocks our inner power, and we show them freely, especially with each other. My true husband is proud to fold me into his circle. He once was a little concerned I would see too much, but he reminded himself I will see what I am supposed to see, and it's not my choice, it's simply who I am. It's how life communicates to me. He also knows I am kind when I see these things and how it excites the energy inside of me when most would fear what they saw. He knows I am able to help guide people in unassuming ways. He too has protected his circle as I have protected mine, and he trusts me because life has shown him I am worthy of such trust. And I trust him because life has shown me he is worthy of my trust as well. My true husband knows we are always growing, and I am proud of him for all the work he's put in such a relatively short time to step up and manifest into the role of my true husband. He knows I am grateful for everything I have been through and sees within me the perseverance he admires so much in himself. My true husband is as eager to notice the things I need and step in for the assist, just as I eagerly step in to assist him with his needs. Because he sees how we are one, as two halves that are complete, and together we emit more warm, loving energy into the world. He knows there is power in that kind of energy. That is the power he's been seeking for his protected circle, and he knows he needs to feed the fire to keep it burning warm and bright. He knows when it starts to get cold that the power of his own breath will keep that fire lit, not only for me, nor for himself, but for his protected circle, to show he is king, how a king is created, behaves, and shows how to define the important rules of spirit and being of our secret power. Manifesting our dreams is fun. It brings out the kid in us. Life wants us to have fun and laugh at the games it plays with us. So play along.